So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So first of all, you have to just click on start lab and open the console in incognito window. Now if you're completely new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. Now this lab is a little bit tricky, so you have to follow all things step by step so that you are able to complete it. Now just open the console and wait for the console to get open, and the first thing we'll do, we'll activate the cloud shell. So just follow patiently. Now if you get this kind of pop-up, just click on I agree and continue. Now just activate the cloud shell over here. Carefully just activate the cloud shell. Click on continue and just authorize yourself. So in the search box, just type Document AI and click on it. Now here, make sure to check. Basically here, if you type anything wrong, just hit enter and make sure the shell looks like this. Now here, come again to the task number 1. The first thing we have to do is the enabling of the Document AI API. So just come again to the lab instructions and just come to the task number 1, copy this, paste over here and hit enter. Here if you get any kind of error, just rerun the command over here again. Now we have to install some of the requirement files, so let me install it. You have to just follow along the video. So just copy the third number command, paste over here and hit enter. Wait for it to get completed. And many of you are asking how we can complete the skill badges. You can check the description. I have attached the master sheet. You have to just follow the tutorials and complete it. Okay, I hope it clears your basic doubts over there. And if you want to join our community, join the Telegram channel, follow us on Instagram. Now once you have run this, you have to just check the score for this particular task. And after that, we have to create a processor. So minimize the cloud shell and just click on explore processor. If you haven't opened the Document AI, just go to the search box and type in search. Now here basically, wait for a few seconds. Now here basically we have to create a processor. So which kind of processor we have to create? It is already mentioned on the lab instruction. So just let me show you how we have to do this step. We have to just open the invoice parser they have mentioned, and here is the name and the region. Sometimes what happens, the region gets updated. In that case, you have to select EU if it asks EU. If it says US, you have to just select US and create it. Now our environment, basically the processor is now ready. Now we'll move forward to the next step. So just wait for it. Remove this unwanted pop-up and just click on configure the dataset. Now here, first of all, click on create a processor. Now here, basically we have to run one command in the cloud shell. This command is just present on the cloud, basically the lab instructions only. You can see the export command only. So how you'll see it, you have to just navigate to the lab instruction and just next to it, it has shown over there. Okay, then you have to configure the dataset and just click on this advanced option and just select the folder. Now from here, you have to just select it and then you have to just click on select button. Here you can see all these things are available over here. Just click on continue and then it will take some time. So basically the dataset creation will take some time, so you need to wait for it. Okay, so which command we have done? When you come to the dataset section, first thing we have to run that export command. Basically we are copying all these files to our cloud storage. Then you have to just configure the dataset and just wait for some time to it get completed. Then we'll move forward to the next step. So just stay tuned and like the video. So finally here you can clearly see that the dataset has been successfully configured, and now we have to import some of the documents. So how will import it? Do not worry, I'm covering everything in this video. First of all, check the score. Now we have to just click on this import documents, and then you have to copy this path, paste over here, and just see it showing data split. So just from here, sorry, data split, we have to just see here. Okay, it is showing we have to select unassigned over here, or you can just check it over here also. So basically from the data split option we have to just click on the unassigned option. How will do, you have come over here and do it like this. Now just import it. Now once it is imported it will take some time, so wait for it. Finally, it is successfully imported. You can see this file is visible. Now what you have to do, you have to just click on this file. Okay, just click on this file, and then we will move forward to the labeling the test document. So just we have to label this document. Okay, like this we have to label. So just first of all you have to just open this. First of all, copy the supplier name and just open it. Now here I am slowing down the video so that you are able to complete it. You have to just double click over it and you can see all these things are available over here. Now carefully, please follow the video carefully and just select like I am doing using a mouse cursor, because if you make any mistake you won't be able to complete it. Now paste it, and then it is linked. Now come over here to the next step. Again we have to add the address. So just carefully follow as I am doing in this task, because this is the soul of all the lab. Basically soul of the lab we can say. Because if you make mistake in this lab you won't be able to proceed further and you won't be able to get the badge. So just follow as I am doing. Now one more important thing I wanted to share, like if you are unable to find the filter, you need to wait for some time and just check whether you have added full stop, any dot or extra space like this. Now just carefully update it. What happens sometimes when you click on line item or anything, the instruction does not show. So in that case you have to just wait and try again. Now just select again like this, paste over here, select it, and from the menu just click on it, and from the menu just select the item and just click on confirm. You have to repeat these steps again and again. Okay, just follow like this and you will be able to complete this lab. This lab is a little bit tricky, but if you follow the video carefully you will be able to complete it. This is the most important step, basically currency. We have to just select the dollar. So carefully select the dollar from the amount field, and then you have to just tag it to currency. So just see here, you will be unable to find it. Let me zoom in and that will help you. So here basically you have to just select the dollar part only. Carefully select the dollar part. Just carefully select it. I know this annoying thing is coming over here. So wait for some time and just retry to just select the dollar part only. I'm trying my best to select it. Just carefully select the dollar part. Wait a second. Let me see. Okay. From here, just carefully select the dollar part over here like this, and then just select the currency. And once you have selected, you can see the dollar is updated on the currency side. If you followed this way, then you are able to complete the lab. Now what we'll do marked as labeled. We'll marked as labeled. How we'll do, if you are unable to see it, just zoom out your screen and you can just click on it. Once you click on it, the document will be labeled over here. So this is the thing we have done. You have to just come over here and check the score. Now sometimes what happens, you don't get score instantly, so you can wait for some time and retry again. And if you're still not getting score after 5 minutes, then you have to just repeat all these steps. Now select all, assign to training. You have to just assign to the training option and then wait for some time. Just you can see these are the steps we have to do. Okay, so now we have to just assign the document for training. So just come over here, click on the training option and just wait for it to get trained. Now if you try to check the score, you will get the score instantly. Now we have to just import the document. So just it will be pre-labeled document. So just copy it from here, and in the data split they have mentioned the auto split over here. So just select the auto split carefully, and then they have mentioned that we have to leave the import while auto labeling unchecked, so we don't have to check this box. Okay, just simply click on the import button. Okay, just simply click on the import button, and once it is done, it will take some time, so wait for it. And the next step is that you can move forward to the next step while it is importing. So from here, just click on edit schema, and from here just select all these things, click on this, and from here just click on the disable option. Once it is disabled, we have to just modify some files, some things, some labels, sorry, and then we have to just enable these labels. How to just navigate the labels? You can use Control F or Command F, then just select it like this. Similarly, in here line item, we have to select amount and description. In line item there will be multiple options there, but here we have to just select the amount and description. So carefully select it. Let me show you how you have to select. Just copy the line item, use Ctrl F, paste over here. Here you can see multiple things are here. By chance many of you may make mistake like selecting another thing. You don't have to select this, just select whatever is mentioned on the lab instruction. So carefully select it. The same with the receiver address, receiver's name, supplier address, supplier's name, total amount. Once you are done with this, you have to just click on enable button. You can see these are enabled, but here we have to save it also. How do we have to save? We have to just click on that back arrow. Let me show you how you have to save. If you have just check it. You have to just click on this back arrow and then click on the save option. Finally it is successfully saved over here. Now it will be updated. Now come back again to the lab instruction, and if you follow the way I have done, you will get the score definitely in this particular task. Now here we have to just add the new thing. Now here just click on import documents, paste the document over here, fully import it, and here we have to just select data splits as training. So just select it training, and carefully just once you are done with this, okay, once you have selected all these things, cross verify these things, and then you have to just click on this import with auto labeling, and here the version is mentioned over here, but here you can select any version over here like this. So just select this one. If you want, you can just select it, and if you are getting error, you can select any one over here. Okay, now just click on import and wait for it to get imported, and then we'll check the score for this particular task. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel, and let's see what happens next. Here you can clearly see all these things are available over here and updated. Now you have to just train the train the model. Now for the name, we have to just come over here, and here you can see they have mentioned the name. Copy the name carefully and then just paste over here. Okay, first thing, view the label state. If you are seeing this green icon, that means we are correct, and if you are seeing red icon, then just edit the labels task. Just edit the label task and just try again. Okay, now just paste over here and just click on start training, and it will take some time, and then after that you have to just check the score for particular task. So just start the training and wait for some time and check the score. And for other pre-assessment skill badges, lab free courses, all things are present in the description box of this video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. If you face any issue, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead. Now here it's just training. If you want to view the training, you can click on it and just view it. And if you are trying to check the score, you may get the score instantly, but if you're not getting the score, you need to wait for some time and retry again. In my case, I got the score early, so you can see in the upcoming part of this lab. And let's see what happens next. Finally, we got the score, and many of you are asking how to enable this check my progress bar. I have already made a video on it. You can check the description box of this video how to enable the check my progress. Now just end the lab. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.